Welcome back to another video. Today's a super exciting video. We are picking up my 2022 Subaru Brz. Let's go get it. Today is the day. Today we're picking up the 22 Brz. I'm so freaking hyped, guys. You have no idea. Let's get it. We're gonna go there. We're a little early. I'm supposed to pick it up at 4. It's like 3:20 now, but I just can't wait. I'm just like sitting at home, just like waiting. I'm like itching and shit like that. I'm so excited. We're gonna meet up with my buddy. We're gonna do a photo shoot, and then you guys just gonna come along and enjoy this amazing vehicle that I'm gonna pick up. Unreal. I can't believe I'm going completely Subaru right now, but I'm excited for the journey. And once again, to all my Honda bros, I'll be back. Trust me. The last video you guys saw is the same day as today. I just separated the two videos, but today is this is my official last drive of the car, and it couldn't be any better. You know, no open roads, nothing, just stuck in traffic. As good as it gets. But yeah, this is my last drive, guys, and I'm just here jamming out to some music, just enjoying the drive. I'll see you guys soon. All right, so we've made it to Subaru here. The car is right there. I'm not gonna show you guys just yet. I have to finish up some paperwork. We're here with my buddy. He's gonna take some photos. I'm gonna link him down below. I'm gonna show you some of his photos and everything too. It's gonna be badass. But I think the most nerve-wracking thing is, if any of you guys have ever traded a car in, is that last drive before you come in, especially through rush hour. You're just hoping nothing goes wrong, you don't get hit or anything like that, but we made it safe and sound. One last look at the 10 Gen before it's gone. So this is the last look at the 10 Gen here. Stock height, stock wheels, a few little things are still on it, but it's mainly completely stock. And his 9 Gen though, look at that. I'm a big fan of these years.
It's pretty dirty.
It's winter. It's a winter setup though. But I'm honestly a big fan of this generation of 9 Gens. It's probably one of my favorites. And that color, you don't see it too often. Is it like a habanero red or?
It's a sunburst orange.
Sunburst orange, wow. That thing looks absolutely awesome. They look good beside each other. Oh, we're almost getting run over. All right, guys, I'm gonna put you guys down. I'm gonna finish the paperwork and see you soon. So check him out. Jason is shooting the new BRZ. Here it is. I know it's a little windy out, but check it out. We got graphite gray. Graphite gray looks absolutely amazing. This is insane. Two exciting things. I can't wait to see his photos, and I cannot wait to see this car after a few modifications. As you guys already know, we already have a Tomei exhaust for it. We'll probably get a Tomei header and everything. I'm just trying to let him take his shots, but check it out. This thing looks so nice in person. For a lot of you guys who are debating if you like it or not, see one in person and like, it looks so nice. I think my favorite thing so far are the headlights. The headlights look so good. Absolutely insane. Check it out. I haven't even driven it. I bought this sight unseen, and it's lived up to the expectations. Check that thing out. I am so hyped. You guys won't even. I'm so happy for this. There's a 10th Gen, unfortunately, over there. She's sad, saying goodbye, and then we have to go with something just a little newer here. Jesus. Sheesh. This thing's sick. I already have my vision for it and what I'm gonna do with it, and I think you guys are really gonna enjoy it. Check this out. If you guys see over there, you see that air freshener there? It's a little dark right now, but we'll get a better shot of it. That is the new Lowpes, only Lowpes air fresheners that are gonna be coming out, and I think they smell pretty good, not gonna lie. But yeah, check out this interior. We'll do an in-depth review. Today is just gonna be more about driving and enjoying the car and letting Jason take some photos of it. Cannot wait. It's gonna be so weird driving this car. It's already so low. It's it's like, for what it is, like, look at that front bumper. It's like not that far off the ground in comparison to like a lot of these newer cars, but damn, ladies and gentlemen, here it is. I'm like so stoked. Here's the official first startup. Not bad at all. Honestly, I really like the taillights on these. They actually look pretty damn good. Oh, the vision I already have for this, I think you guys are gonna love it. You guys already know how I build my cars. Super clean, but aggressive at the same time. I cannot wait. My first official scuff. Good job, Chris. Can't take you anywhere. Jesus Christ. Honestly, my first impressions on this car is like, it drives really well for what it is. I'll do a more in-depth breakdown and everything in the car. Right now I'm just adjusting and learning to the car, but like one of the favorite things I like so far is the notchiness in this gearbox. I think this gearbox is fantastic and it looks absolutely amazing. Like this car, it feels so weird driving such a small car. I'm used to driving like big sedans and stuff like that, I'm so happy. Oh my god, it feels so nice driving this car. I'm not even gonna lie to you guys, like I'm just still trying to figure every little thing out in this car. Oh man, this is amazing. Thank you so much. I want to thank all you guys for all the support that you guys give to the channel. This is giving me the push to go forward and further with the builds and the cars. And yo guys, like this is an awesome car so far. We're gonna get the drive in. Like I didn't want to do cinematics. I just want to be hands-on with this car and learn it. Every couple stoplights, I'll definitely chime in. We got about a 45-minute drive to our location to take our few shots, and I'll let you know some thoughts. So far, I've been enjoying the drive with the car. Sound system's pretty good. Like I said, I'll do an in-depth review afterwards, but so far, I'm really liking it. Probably one of my favorite things is the shifter box. All right, so we made it to the spot here. It's a pretty awesome spot to shoot. It's a little windy, mind you that, but like, check this thing out. It is pretty cool. It looks so good. Honestly, this gunmetal gray with like some carbon fiber, maybe some type of like either like, you know, spoonish blue or even like a nice green. I think it'll look really, really well. Or even, I don't know, what color wheels? I either want to go black, white, or bronze, I think. What do you guys think down below? Let me know. I'm excited to see his photos. He did some awesome, honestly, like I want to record, but I was so focused on driving the car that I couldn't even record him like hanging out his car as he's driving, doing some rollers for me. You guys have no idea how excited I am. I'm just figuring out the car, little kinks and stuff like that. There's a few little things that, you know, that can be upgraded, and we'll probably upgrade them too, and we will do that. I'm sorry if it's a little windy. We're at the top of this tower, but yo, I'm amazed by the car so far. It's so low factory, and it drives so well. The shifter box is amazing. I'm not gonna give too much away because I want to do a actual in-depth review, but damn, pretty sick so far. This is gonna be some sick photos. I'm excited to see what he does with this, but this is just unreal. I can't believe I have myself a BRZ. I'm already envisioning the things I'm gonna do. I hope they come out with that LED that replaces that. We have an exhaust already. I heard that the FR or the GR86 duckbill actually can fit onto this. You just have to drill the trunk, and it's a bigger duckbill spoiler, so I'm excited for that too. We'll definitely do a bigger breakdown of the car in a future video. Today is just we're enjoying it, doing a photo shoot with Jason, and we're just enjoying. Like, damn. It was either this metallic gray, black, or silver. So I had to go with the metallic gray. I did not want a black car anymore. And I think the black just hides a lot of the features of the cars, all the little like bits of the black moldings and everything. I think this color is gonna look super, super nice once, you know, we've done some stuff. Definitely some wheels are gonna be coming soon. Wheels, suspension, we have an exhaust, probably do a Tomei header. It's gonna be loud, but it's gonna look nice. All right, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is the new 22 BRZ. I'm super excited and hyped for this build. I want to thank Mr. Jason, JQC Photos. Go follow him. His Instagram's right here. He's got amazing photos. You guys can check out the photos that we did with the BRZ and all his other stuff. Hit him up if you need any work. He's definitely worth it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Peace out. Do it once, do it right. Like, comment, subscribe. Later.